Please look to these cars. Similar BMW, but difference not only into models of the cars, difference into carbon we used for these cars. Look, standard natural carbon elements. Very nice car. And here modern popular carbon. Difference between type of carbon you can see more clearly in the big elements, and we can realize anyone. Simply choose type you like and we will make it for you specially. Please compare these two cars from backside. Red one natural carbon, standard carbon. Look here. Gray one, new style carbon. As you can see, we can produce anyone. Simply choose you like and welcome. We are here.